Hi guys, Campbell here from the Property Factory on Fabulous Friday. February starts next week and we're pretty excited about February because it is the month we launch our first of two new finance businesses. I'm really excited about it because we've been using third-party mortgage brokers for the last 3 years, and next week we're launching our own internal finance business that you can use. We are already doing deals. We've got 50 plus lenders that we're working with, and we've got an approval rate at the moment of 85%. Using third-party brokers, they are sitting at 50. So our expert team that you'll meet next week on video and our amazing digital process is going to help you get mortgage finance far better than you can from the way you've been in the past. We're also going to launch webinars again in the coming days and weeks because we have had more and more people ask us for educational content through webinars, and we haven't done them for a long time, so we are going to rise to that occasion and give you webinars back. We're also increasing our social media reach, so you can now you currently see us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, and as of next week I think we are going to be seen on TikTok, so I'm looking forward to that. And last but not least, we are starting a new year with some really new exciting deals. Keep an eye on your inbox. We've got new projects and developments across the country that we'll be bringing to you that are very, very attractive price-wise. We're seeing the market move from more of a seller's market to more of a buyer's market, and that means better deals for you. So keep an eye on the inbox, talk to our team, and look at the fabulous deals coming. So goodbye January, welcome February, and we look forward to spending more time with you over the coming days and weeks and helping you with your investing journey. Thanks and have a great weekend.